Other trucker. um. So it was like the branches were moving really hot. Like they were moving a lot because it was really windy. Even more than this. But so then I was going to record, but then when I got my phone out, it was just it wasn't moving as much. Like it's moving quite a bit now, and you could see like the background. Never mind, you can't see. But the trees in like the background, they were moving quite a bit just now. But frick, as soon as I get my camera out, it stops moving, like as much as it was. I was going to make Extreme Winds like part 2, but I'm so disappointed. Blow more.